The government has gone ahead and started the new academic year on 7th April 2025 for students of classes 6th to 10th and 12th. Is this fair for children to bear the hottest summer heat in 124 years? Asks Orville Dorado.
Today the new academic year has commenced, and despite opposition from a sizable number of parents across the length and breadth of Goa, the government of Goa and the education department has gone ahead with this their implementation of this new policy. There are several schools which do not even have the basic facility of even a ceiling fan, leave aside air conditioning. And this year we are experiencing a heat wave. Since the last, this is the highest recorded heat wave in Goa for the last 124 years. And despite the fact that we have such unpleasant climatic conditions, the government of Goa has gone ahead with their decision to start the new academic year. Now, what is the benefit? If this was a time when children should have been out playing, gone to their fields, to the ponds, to the rivers, to the streams, to pick up a stone and hurl it at a mango tree, collect cashews, nuts, cashews. These are all the pleasures of our youth. Sadly, all this thing will be lost by the time this, the academic year, commences and the month passes by. Because April is the month where maximum, though despite this very, very oppressive heat, the maximum fruits, which are seasonal, are available in plenty in Goa. It could be your neighbors, it could be yours, but nobody says anything, and that was how we were, as we were brought up in the 80s, 1780s. We were brought up in this nice atmosphere where we used to go out even fishing, for the example, or cool ourselves in the streams, in the mineral water springs in our locality. Sadly, even those have vanished, and today children are being transported in buses. Today I was seeing those buses which were stopped at a railway crossing. Everybody in that oppressive heat. Children were, the students were facing that oppressive heat in the bus. There's no fan, nothing. I don't understand. The government, just because maybe some of the opposition leaders have voiced their opinion against this new education policy, that doesn't mean that your children are also those who are with the government. They also should stand up. It is not about that the opposition is just making a noise. Yes, it's a real fact. I think the government should have a rethink, and by next week, hopefully, we should have a solution to this.